Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to link a cleaner to your Airbnb account using the Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. After that, select listing. Tap the listing where you want to add your cleaner. Scroll down and tap on listing management. Now tap co-host or look for a section called your team. This is where you can invite someone like a cleaner to help manage your place. Tap invite a co-host or add a team member. When you enter cleaner's email address and choose their access level. Once your cleaner accepts the invite, they will be able to see your booking, calendar, upcoming check-in and check-outs, and maybe even message guests if you allow it. You stay in full control of what they can do and what they can't do. And that's it. You have now linked your cleaner to your Airbnb account using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.